Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Clio Grow for lead management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Clio Grow for lead management, first, log into your Clio account. Once logged in, navigate to the Clio Grow section from the main dashboard. Click on the Leads tab located in the sidebar menu. Here, you will see an overview of all your leads. To add a new lead, click on the Add Lead button at the top right corner. Fill in the required information such as the lead's name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to include any relevant details about the lead in the Notes section. Once all information is entered, click Save to create the lead record. Next, you can categorize your leads by clicking on the Status drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate status such as New, Contacted, or Converted. You can also assign the lead to a specific team member if needed. To follow up with a lead, click on their name to open their profile. Here, you can log communications, add tasks, or set reminders. To send an email directly from the platform, click on the email icon within the lead's profile. You can personalize your message and track when it has been opened. If you need to manage multiple leads, use the filtering options to sort by status or date. You can also view reports to analyze your lead conversion rates over time. Remember to regularly check your dashboard for any new leads or updates. For effective follow-ups, utilize the Automated Reminders feature. This will help ensure no lead slips through the cracks. Finally, continually update the information as you progress with each lead. This will keep your lead management process organized and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.